Hey, Josie!
I got her. We gotta let go.
Whee! Whee!
This thing is, of course, obviously very tiring, but it's very cool. It's like our first real fun outside, as opposed to just only crawl through some mud. What?
Did you try one tractor? Good, not that way.
Hey, Josie!
It's this way.
Nice car! Ooh, watch it, Katelyn. Nice car! Are you sleepy?
No, it's still got some, but you can try it.
She's
Make sure that goes back in the garage.
Are you getting out by yourself?
I gotta take Josie out for a bath, so Daddy's time to take a shower.
Oh, this is your sister's vehicle.
Are you in first or second gear? Are you in first? Okay, so I was just wondering if it was slow.
Are you jealous?
Katelyn's gonna need a go-kart. Like a gas-powered one.
Let's just get her gator.
Although again, they still have all those 24-volt ones, whatever, and they're noticeably larger too, like more of her age.
Yeah.
See if you can slide into Josie.
No. She's coveting.
Yeah, it would just be really awesome if Katelyn had something capable going through the woods, like on the trails.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Yeah, I agree.
Of course, the trails range is probably rolling first.
Don't do this stuff to me, Josie. She kills
I just
me.
love how she's so nonchalant about it.
Josie, wave hi to your sister. Say hi, Katelyn. Say hi.